Hi everyone, this is Deandra Thompson, your favorite realtor and favorite financial broker, and I am back with another home tour. So today we are touring this beautiful new construction townhome just minutes from Uptown Charlotte. And this townhome has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,800 square feet, and it's listed at $380,000. That's literally a steal. This home has everything you need, from open living spaces, stylish finishes, and a versatile floor plan that literally adapts to your needs. This home is in a great location, so if you're someone that's on the go and love the convenience of being in the city, then this is the perfect home for you. Let me know what you think in the comments of this home, and if you are interested in purchasing or selling in North Carolina or South Carolina, do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, enjoy the tour.